So my people, everyone is talking about Uber, drop shipping, and POS businesses. But let's be honest, those markets are already saturated. I know that people would say, oh, there's nothing like oversaturated. But what if I told you they're highly profitable side hustles that most Nigerians aren't even thinking about right now? These businesses do not require a huge startup cost, and if done right, they can bring in serious income. I promise you. In this video, I'll break down the uncommon side hustles you can start in Nigeria today and actually make money from staying at home. You don't even need to go anywhere. So stay to the end because side hustle number 5 is a complete game changer. Now, do you know that thousands of Nigerians rent equipment daily, whether it's for construction, farming, or events? People are constantly looking for tools they can use for a short time without buying, and that's where equipment leasing comes in. What if you can lease out construction tools, concrete mixers, wheelbarrows, generators, ladders, or even event supplies? It could be chairs, canopies, speakers, microphones, some of these things that they use for parties, or it could be farming equipment, it could be water pumps, plows, tractors. All of these equipment can be rented. Now, the good thing about this business is it's an investment. Now, you know how you buy and sell, and that's it. But with this one, you have it and you continue to make money with it. So, if you have some of these items, you have chairs, canopies around the house, instead of letting them sit idle, rent them out and make money. Some of these business owners charge between 5,000 naira to 50,000 naira per day for renting equipment. So, imagine just renting to 5 clients in a week, or 5 clients times a month. That's a steady income, right? So if you don't want to go into the whole technical equipment, you can do event supplies, could be chairs. They do parties regularly, events are held regularly, and so just imagine that in a week 2 events are held and they rent your equipment for twice a week, and that is how many times in a month. That is a very, very, very lucrative business. Now let's go to hustle number 2, virtual assistants for small businesses. So there are businesses in Nigeria that are like, small businesses, they are growing, but not every entrepreneur has the time to handle admin work. There are some virtual assistants that are needed, or there are some businesses that need virtual assistants. So that is where you come in. So as a VA, as it's popularly called, you would need to help with handling online presence. Yeah, so a VA is like an online personal assistant, but instead of working for one boss, you can work for multiple clients and you charge per task. Now you can offer services like email and calendar management. It could be social media handling, it could be customer support, data entry. You can handle some of these tasks, and the best part is you can work from anywhere with just your phone or your laptop. You can get gigs from platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even Instagram. You can get connected to clients on Instagram. You can get connected to clients on TikTok. The demand is huge, and you can make at least 100,000 naira monthly with the right clients. The third side hustle is urban farming. Yes, basically just small space but big profits. Most people think that farming requires large land and big money, but that's not true anymore. Urban farming is the smart way to grow food in small spaces and make serious profits. I have mentioned this side hustle before in one of my videos, so but I am bringing it back because I promise you it is a very lucrative business. So here are 3 farming ideas that works in the city. So if you're not in the village, just city. Now you can do snail farming. A few plastic tanks and a shaded area can give you low cost, high profit business. And then they don't smell. Yes. Then the third one is hydroponic farming. You grow vegetables without soil using just water and nutrients. You might need to be very, very deep into the farming industry to go into this one. Well, there is the backyard poultry. You can start a mini poultry farm in your compound and sell fresh eggs. Now, restaurants, supermarkets, and individuals will pay premium prices for fresh produce. And guess what? Snails and organic vegetables sell for double the price in high-end areas. The fourth side hustle is solar energy. See, let's be honest, Nigerians are tired of NEPA wahala. With power supply getting worse, solar energy market is booming. And here's how you can tap into this fast growing business. Sell portable solar products like the solar lamp, solar phone chargers, there's even solar camera. Yes, I've seen that. There's solar CCTV, there's the small solar panels, there's small fans. You might not even necessarily have to be a producer of these things, because producing it is a big deal, yeah. But get a supplier, right? Now, a second way you can do this business is to learn about solar panel installation, and then you offer your services to homes and businesses. So if you do not want to sell products, just offer services, and you'll be hot cake. People will be rushing you, just because many people are looking for people who can install solar panels rather. So if you are good at it and you do a very thorough job, trust me, people would rush you. Right now, you can also decide to do solar battery maintenance. Yes, people with solar setups, they need regular battery checkups to keep them working. That is where you come in. You really do not need to be an expert to start. Just partner with a supplier. That is if you want to sell services, or you can go and learn how to install. You can earn from sales. You can earn from installation. Just choose whatever of these niches that I have mentioned, either service or sales. You'll be making nothing less than 500,000 a month from this business, because Nigerians are already fed up of PHCN. Now, the last one. What if you could sell custom design t-shirts, hoodies, and mug without ever touching the inventory? That's exactly what print on demand allows you to do. Here's how it works. You create a unique design using Canva or Photoshop, upload it to a print on demand site like Printovi, okay? Or you can do Teespring or Redbubble, and then customers order the products and the company prints and ship it while you get paid. So you are never coming in contact with the inventory in any way. So you don't need capital, you don't need warehouse, no stress, just create and sell. Some smart designers are making $500 to $2,000 per month doing this comfortably from the comfort of their home. I always bring you juicy information, yeah? So those are the 5 uncommon side hustles that can actually make you money in Nigeria. Which one caught your interest? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my future videos on making money in Nigeria. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.